Ikaw ang babae ng buhay ko, ikaw ang babae ng buhay ko, mahal kita, ikaw ang buhay ko. Char! Sana all. Donald Trump. Salamat lang nga. Si Donald Trump daw sabi ni Coyote. Ay, congrats. Ayan, oh, ito na yung mga lista ko. O, tapos na. Inulit ko lang siya eh. Sine all. Sana all, Fernan. Sana all. Mabalak nun si ano, si Fernan. Gusto niya daw akong dalahit sa ano. Gusto niya akong you sound so nice when you speak Cebuhan. So, Cebuanito. Yeah, I'm a Cebuano. I'm a Cebuano, Coyote. My root is in Cebu City. But my mother, I was born in Mindanao. Aba, Fernan, magaling kang maggulo-gulo. Yes, Fernando. Fernando. Ang ingay-ingay ko. Ang dami pa natin. 1 hour na tayo. Palagpasin lang natin ng 2 minutes. Renatalia Valdeveba, can you do ASMR? It's whispering and making sounds like things. Please research it if you don't know what is it is. I don't know what is ASMR. Ano daw? What is that, Renata Valdivia? What is it, Renata? I don't know what is it. I have to work Saturday. I love these people. Coyote, what Renata said? I don't understand well. What is ESMR? Okay, I will research it, Renata. Thank you so much, Coyote. We love you too. When I start my live, my friend asking you where is Coyote, right, mga langga? Tinatanong niyo si Coyote, right, Coyote, mga langga. Sabi niyo, saan na si Coyote? Nasaan? Nasaan si Coyote? Nasaan? Coyote, gahi na pod. Good night, Coyote. I need to end my live also. It's already 1 hour. Good night, guys. Love you all. Mama, chup, chup, chup. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Fernan, can you try to send me the sticker? Nangihingi. Donald Trumpy, good night. Coyote, Donald Trumpy, good night. Good night, Coyote. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, guys. And also to you, Renata Valdivia. Thank you for coming. Thank you for suggesting me what is ASMR. I don't know what is ASMR. I will search it in Gola Gola. I need to search in Golo Golo what is ASMR. Ano yun? Sinong nakakaalam ng ASMR, mga langga? Good night. Good night. Ano tawag dito? Fernan. Bye-bye, guys. Love you all. Thank you for coming. See you next time. Love you all.